Hello, students. Hope you are doing good. We are studying the chapter Refraction and Dispersion of Light. Now, after understanding refraction and dispersion of light, it is time to introduce lenses to you. So, let me introduce lenses to you. Dear children, this is a lens which this person is holding in his hands. We are going to understand what are lenses and also know the different types of lenses. Let me tell you the learning objectives of this topic, Introduction to Lenses. The learning objectives are to know what are lenses, to relate lenses to refraction of light, to understand how lenses work, to know the different types of lenses and their shapes also, to comprehend that convex lens is converging whereas concave lens is diverging in nature, to differentiate between concave and convex lenses, and to identify concave and convex lenses. Lenses can be used for studying the effects of refraction. Children, this is how we draw lenses. These are two spherical lenses. We are going to understand what type of lenses are they in this video. Now, first of all, we should know what is a lens. Lens is a portion of a transparent refracting medium bounded by two surfaces. These two lenses are bounded by two spherical surfaces. Hence, these lenses are spherical lenses. Let us recall refraction of light. We have done that before, but let us quickly recall refraction of light so that we can relate lenses to refraction of light. Phenomenon associated with the change in the speed of light as it goes from one transparent medium into another. It is usually observed as the change in the direction of propagation of an obliquely incident light ray when it passes from one optically transparent medium to another. Children, when we are going to talk about lenses, lenses also undergo refraction of light. And how lenses work and how they refract light, we are going to understand in this video. Let us first know what is a lens. A lens is a portion of a transparent refracting medium bounded by two surfaces. When both or one of these surfaces are spherical, the lens is known as a spherical lens. A spherical lens is a lens whose surface has the shape of the surface of a sphere. A spherical lens is a piece of a transparent medium bounded by at least one spherical surface. How do lenses work? A lens works by refraction. It bends light rays as they pass through it, so they change direction. Children, we just read that refraction of light takes place when a ray of light falls obliquely on a transparent medium. Now, here, lens is a transparent refracting medium. Lenses serve to refract light at each boundary. As a ray of light enters a lens, it is refracted, and as the same ray of light exits the lens, it is refracted again. The net effect of the refraction of light at these two boundaries is that the light ray has changed directions. Look at this. This is a spherical lens. When parallel rays of light are entering the lens, they are leaving the lens in a different direction. So, refraction of light is taking place in this spherical lens, as we see that the light rays that are falling on this lens are bending after exiting the lens. That is, they are bending after refraction through the lens. This is another type of spherical lens. Here also we are seeing the change in direction of the incident parallel rays of light. When incident parallel rays of light are falling on this lens, they are diverging. So children, we are observing refraction of light through this type of lens also. Let us understand the types of lenses. There are two main types of lenses known as convex or converging lens and concave or diverging lens. Let us see different converging lenses. Here, children, both the surfaces are spherical and it is bulging outwards. So, this is a biconvex or simply a convex lens. This lens is a plano-convex lens, as one surface is plane while the other surface is convex. Children, this is a converging meniscus or a meniscus convex. Let us see diverging lenses or concave lenses. This is a biconcave lens. It is bulging, the surface is bulging inwards. It is a biconcave or a concave lens. The second figure that we see is a plano-concave lens. One surface is concave while the second surface is plane. Look at the third figure of diverging lens. It is a meniscus concave or a diverging meniscus. Children, now we need to understand what a convex lens is. A convex lens is a lens made by joining the parts of two spherical surfaces that is thicker in the middle than the edges. Concentrate on the lens first. This lens has been made by joining the parts of two spherical surfaces. Both the surfaces are spherical in this case, and this lens is thicker in the middle and it is thinner at the edges. It is a convex lens. Also from this figure, we see refraction of light taking place through this convex lens. How is refraction of light taking place through this convex lens? It is converging the incident parallel rays towards its principal axis. This line, children, which is passing through the center of the lens, is the principal axis. And we see that the incident parallel rays of light are converging after refraction through the lens. They are meeting at a point. Hence, convex lens is a converging lens and it is thicker in the middle than at the edges. Let us see concave lens now. Concave lens is a lens made by joining the parts of two spherical surfaces that is thinner in the middle than at the edges. Look at this spherical lens. It also has both the surfaces which are a part of a sphere and it is thinner in the middle. The edges are thicker. Hence, it is a concave lens. And look how is light refracting through this concave lens. The incident parallel rays of light are diverging away from the principal axis. So, this concave lens is a diverging lens. Look at converging lenses or convex lenses. Concentrate on the shapes. This is a biconvex lens and this is a converging meniscus. It is thicker across the middle, thinner at its edges and serves to converge light. Look at the diverging lenses or concave lenses. This is a biconcave lens. This is a diverging meniscus. It is thinner across the middle, thicker at its edges, and serves to diverge light. Children, in this video, we will be able to see how the light rays are getting refracted by both the types of lenses. Children, this is an incident parallel beam of light. When convex lens is placed in its path, we see refraction occurs in such a manner that the incident parallel rays of light are converging or meeting at a point after refraction through this lens. Hence, convex lens is a converging lens. After this, we are going to place a concave lens in the path of this incident ray of light. See how the rays are getting refracted. The incident parallel rays of light after refraction through this concave lens are diverging. Let us see what are the differences between the convex lens and concave lens. A convex lens is thicker in the middle than at edges. A concave lens is thinner in the middle than at edges. A convex lens is a converging lens. A concave lens is a diverging lens. A convex lens produces mostly real images. A concave lens produces virtual images. We are going to understand this with the help of this activity.